Hey guys, we're going to read a story called The Three Little Pigs, but it looks like somebody scratched it out with crayon and it says The Four Little Pigs. And this is written by Carmen Crow, illustrated by Jessica Gibson. So we're going to read it and find out why it's scratched out. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs. It was time for them to build their houses and get jobs. Hey, I'm a little pig too. Oh, I see that little piggy right there. Well, yes, but you're a baby pig. You can't build a house. Then the baby pig started to cry. Oh, okay, once upon a time there were four little pigs. Better? Yes, I feel better. The first little pig built his house out of straw. This right here is straw. The second little pig built his house out of sticks. And the third little pig built his house out of bricks. What are you going to build your house out of, baby pig? Blocks. Well, that's a good idea. Then along came a big bad wolf who was in a bad mood. He huffed and he puffed and he blew down the straw house. Oh no. He huffed and he puffed and he blew down the stick house. Meanwhile, all the little pigs ran to the brick house and locked the door. The wolf huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed and he knocked on the door of the third house. Little pigs, let me in. Not by the hair on our chinny chin chin, said the little pigs, which is how pigs say no way. Go away. The wolf howled. Ooh, if you don't let me in, then I will, What will you do? Asked the baby pig. I don't know, said the wolf. Nothing, I guess. Well, if you're not doing anything, would you like to play with blocks? Asked the baby pig. He looks kind of sad. That afternoon, the grumpy wolf and the baby pig played with blocks in the shade of an apple tree. And guess what? That old wolf was only in a bad mood because he didn't have any friends. So everyone lived happily ever after thanks to one tiny pig with a big heart. Bye, guys. Love you.